What is up, YouTube? Marsh's Med Grower here with you. Just got a box from TNB Naturals. Go ahead and open this up, see what's inside. It says all natural garden product made 100% in Canada. Good old Canadian. Shout out to my Canadians. Shout out to TNB. As my phone alert goes off. So what we have here is the enhancer. It is the CO2 dispersal container or canister. So this will add some CO2 to the garden. It says just add 1 liter of warm water and shake. Your plants will love you. So that's pretty cool. It comes with, ooh, this is pretty cool here. Right, picture the bottle, but what is this? Rolling papers, TNB style. I like it. It's got their, still getting used to having this gimbal. It's got their phone number and website on there. Alright, and then let's see what else we got here. Ooh, this will be a magnet. Real cool, real cool. And 2 product information cards. I don't want to cover up their stuff. Yahtzee. Now available in commercial sizes. So that'll do it for the unboxing video. I'm going to get this set up and we'll see how it works. Peace.